Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag, original Glam Bag. So let's get in here and see what I've got. In addition to my Ipsy Glam Bag, I must have placed an add-on or pop-up or whatever Ipsy is calling them these days, some sort of sale order, because I have this one little bag which appears to have maybe one thing in it, so we're going to open that too. If you are new to Ipsy, Ipsy now has 3 products. They have this, which is the original Glam Bag, and it is $12. You will have 5 products, and it says that you will get deluxe samples, but almost always you get at least one full-size product. It is $12, so that is a really good deal. They have the Ipsy Plus, which you can get every month, and that is $25, and you will get 5 full-size products, and you will get to pick 3 of them. Or they have added the new Ipsy Glam X box, which I will put the link here to my last one. It was amazing. It comes out quarterly, and they've chosen off months, which I kind of like. It is $55, so it is not an inexpensive box. Last one was in February, which means the next one will be in May, and I like that they have chosen their expensive month. If you get Causebox or FabFitFun, or I have a Margot Elena down there that I just got today that I can't wait to tape. If you get any of those, it's January, April. We get them all on the exact same cycle. So I love, since the Glam X is kind of expensive, that it's actually the next month and doesn't fall in the same quarterly cycle as all the other ones. This month's bag looks like this. This is the March 2021. And when we open up our bag, we have the paperwork. I also had a brush on the outside. I think that might have been my choice. I know, right now you're thinking, what? You chose a brush? I know, I can't believe it either. March 2021 is Stronger Together. The future is female. You got this. And that is what that looks like. And inside, I do have my products. We'll deal with the brush that I believe was my choice and was outside the bag. And I got this hoping exactly this, that it would be a big, fluffy, and it is. I hope you guys can tell. It is a big, fluffy brush. Oh, and it's soft. I love powder brushes. I use them more than you would think. I use regular powders, and I have setting powders. I have my Hourglass powders that I use that kind of give you the lit from within look, and I like them each to have a different brush because I've noticed that they tint the top of the brush a different color. So now I have a new powder brush, and it is the Shayna B Miami powder brush. It has a $23 value. So again, first product, it was my choice. It has a $23 value, and this is a $12 bag. Meet your powder products new bestie. The makeup brush has a dome-shaped tip and ultra-soft synthetic bristles that make it super easy to apply all of your powder products from blush to setting powder, no matter what your makeup skill level. This will be a lot of blush. We'll slide him back in his little packaging. Reaching into the bag next, I have a Minted Balms Away Coconut Lip Treatment. You guys know I love a balm. I know some people are disappointed when they get balms, but I like lip balms. My lips tend to be dry, and my lips tended to lean toward dry even before every lipstick that you chose was a matte. Now that I'm also adding matte lipsticks to my routine, I will take all the balms. That is what that looks like without its cover on. It might be easier to see. And it's just a slant top. Just gonna try and squeeze a little, and when you squeeze a little out, that's what it looks like. Actually, you know what? I have on a matte, but I feel like I could use a little bit of balm. Oh, it's coconutty. Oh, very summery. You know how you get that coconut, but some coconuts really kind of, I don't want to say copper tone or Hawaiian tropic, but they have more of that summer scent. Well, you really can't see it because I have on a matte lippy, but trust me when I tell you, it feels fantastic. The paperwork says, Minted Cosmetics Balms Away Coconut Lip Treatment. One swipe of this nourishing coconut scented balm gives you instant vacay vibes. It really, really did. It's made with shea butter and castor seed oil to hydrate your lips for the long haul. And its texture, light and airy. So it's perfect alone or under all your favorite lip colors. Not over, under. And this has a $12 value. This alone also pays for your bag. Just next we have a Diana's Natural Goat Milk Hand Cream. Soothes moisturizes for dry hands, and I received it in Vanilla Bean. Dry hands happen, and all the frequent hand washing we've been doing doesn't help. This ultra nourishing hand cream uses honey and goat's milk. It's enriched with essential vitamins and minerals to hydrate and heal rough, cracked skin. P.S. The vanilla scent is so yummy. And this has a $5 value. And it was sealed. I love that. And it looks just kind of like a regular hand lotion. Oh, it does smell yummy. It absolutely smells like vanilla. It's just like, what does it smell like? Vanilla. They were right in naming it Vanilla Bean. My hands just, I did not put a lot on, but it's gone. My hands just absorbed that. So it's gone. Let's reach in and see what we have next. Next, I have a Milk Makeup. Look how cute she is. That is so tiny and cute. I think I might have this. Let's read about this and we will make that call. Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Work. W-E-R-K, just for the record. Your makeup kit is not complete without this 2-in-1 cream stick. The Dusty Rose shade can be used to give your cheeks a pretty flush and your lips a gorgeous tint. Plus, it's infused with moisturizing mango butter, peach nectar extract, and avocado oils to plump and smooth. Use your fingers to dab on your lips or cheeks. The full-size version of this, which would be 1 ounce, is $28. This is 0.21 ounces, so it's 1/5. So that means even this little trial size has a $5.50, give or take, value. What color did I say this is in? Work? I think that I have this. That is what that looks like. I'm just going to swatch a little bit on the back of my hand because I might pass this along for my daughter or granddaughter. That is what that looks like because I think I might have this in full size. It is a really nice universal color. That is really cute. And last but not least in the bag we have, and it's big, it says Color Club, the future of color, nail lacquer in Gemini vegetarians. Is that possible? It says Gemini vegetarians. I have no idea what color a Gemini vegetarian is. Let's see. Okay, did you guys see it? If not, I'm making you guess. What color when you picture Gemini vegetarians? Okay, get a color in your head. Are you ready? Is that? It's just pink. It's bright. I don't know if it's coming across as bright as it is. It's a bright pink, plus pink. And it says Color Club Nail Lacquer. I mean, I will try it. It's a gorgeous color. It's sweet and pink, and it has an extra little brightness to it that I like. So, I mean, I'll definitely use it, but I pictured green. What did you picture? Color Club Nail Polish in Gemini Vegetarians. Pink nail polish is perfect for any time of the year, and this creamy, highly pigmented polish is our new go-to. It's the perfect transition shade from winter's deeper hues into spring. And it's not just pretty, it's cruelty-free too. A win for you and your furry friends. And it has an $8.50 value. The nail polish that I have on came out, I think, of an Ipsy, and it is, Pretty Woman, I think is the name of the brand. I do not remember the name of the color. While it has stayed pretty nicely because I use an awesome top coat, it took, just to get to that light color, it took 3 coats of the color to not be able to see patches of nail through it. It is not my favorite. I will probably either pass it along for my granddaughters or just throw it away because I won't go through the frustration of 3 coats again. Let's see the brush. You know, I love a wide brush. Oh, it's really wide. I love that. I hope you can tell. You know what? It's about time to change my nails. I'm just going to put this pink over one of these nails and let's see how it does. Oh, it's going to go on really, really nicely because I just put 1 coat over a already blue polished nail. And look what great coverage I got. Can you guys see how the pigment of that pink already? Looks like somebody's gonna have a gender reveal party. Which one of my fingers do you think is right? That is so pretty. I mean, look what, I really hope that's coming across. That's just 1 coat. That's a really pretty color. I like it. Yay. So I think that gives me about $54 in value, and that is with me just taking milliliter for milliliter with this. So, and it's all so usable. So although you do get some sample sizes, I mean, think about how long this is gonna last. This is gonna last a long time. You also get, this is full size. I got a full size nail polish in a really cute pink. I received this full size Shayna B brush, and I have this Minted Balms Away, which is a $12 balm, which is also full size. And my samples are this really nice, I'm assuming this is a sample. I don't know, it might come in this size, but I got this really cute little hand cream and the Milk Lip and Cheek to try. Plus, if you like them, we have this bag. It is not my favorite. It is beige, and I appreciate the theme that they're going for with the women here, but they gave it a really bright kind of orangish red top and a, is it pull? No, I was thinking maybe it pull, but a cabled bright blue. This is not exactly something I would carry, but somebody I know might like it, and it's a great way to pass along items I am passing along. Now, I have that other Ipsy bag. Let's get in here and see what I've got. Okay, I am so not picky about makeup. I really like almost everything. One of the only things that I just don't do is I don't reach for single eyeshadows. I want a palette. I want it to have the things that I need in a palette, a nice cover, a nice transition, a nice pop. Apparently, I picked for myself a Berlin Underground Kronberg single eyeshadow and a brush. I suspect it was probably only $3 for the set. So I wanted the $3 for the brush because it is a vegan brush V5 blending brush from BH Cosmetics. So this is probably what I was paying $3 for because I can never have enough blending brushes. It's my absolute favorite brush. I use them to make almost every eye look I make. This is pretty. I like this. It's just silver and it kind of tapers a little bit. It's a little chubby up top, which I think I like. I have discovered, I didn't used to know that I like this, but I like the thicker barrels to hold on to. It is the perfect size for a nice blending brush. It's really soft. Yeah, I'm sure this is why I purchased the add-on. So let's see what I received that I'm probably gonna pass along. It's really cute though. Look how little he is, he's so cute. Oh yeah, no, but that would be actually, that would probably be, I don't know if you guys can tell, it would be a really neat highlighter because it's that white, but it's got a lot of shine to it. And this is out of that Berlin Underground set, and that's the one with the skulls on it. It's really nice eyeshadows, but I will never reach for this, so I will set it aside to pass along. So I have that really nice Ipsy bag, and I think probably for $3, I got this BH Cosmetics blending brush and this cute little shadow that I will pass along. So you can't beat the original Ipsy bag for $12. That is a great bargain. It's just a great way to try things. I can't get over how much color I got out of that pink with just one coat. I am super happy with that, especially after the way the blue performed, but it was a different brand. Let me know below, what did you get in your Ipsy bag? Or if you have any interest in signing up for Ipsy, I will put my link below that will take you over to Ipsy. If you sign up, it's another one of those ones that if you sign up for longer periods of time, I think if you end up signing up for a year, you end up with like a free month. Don't hold me to that. I think it's something like that, but thanks so much for being here, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and take care out there.